Today, the JFK files were released, and I'm going to summarize everything for you, right?
Right. This is
Here
where
you go.
if you're listening to the show, you are saving hours of time right now.
Correct.
And
Hours
you are
of time.
like, you
He-
are now getting the biggest insights right now.
Right. Here's what
before
you need to know.
start, important comment from Alan, Dave.
Yeah.
JFK did not own a motorboat, but he did own a yacht.
Well, that's a motorboat. It depends on how fancy you are. What's the difference between a motorboat and a yacht?
It's not a
sailboat.
motorboat is not a yacht, dude.
Why not? It has a motor, unless you're talking about a yacht with sails. It's a motorboat.
And by the way, JFK was a master motorboater.
Well, ask Marilyn Monroe.